Welcome back to Trination X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
And I'm here with Delana's or
Dessert.
Delana's. How
I haven't even had dinner.
I know. I won't give her too much. I won't make her ruin her appetite.
She's going to share this with me.
Can I open it? I don't know if I can.
It's the day before Thanksgiving, but you guys probably won't see this till after Thanksgiving. So we're going to say this on our next video. Happy Thanksgiving. Hopefully you had a good Thanksgiving if you don't see this till after Thanksgiving, which is probably what's going to happen.
Sorry, this is super loud.
Hopefully it was wonderful. We're going to my mother-in-law's, so it's going to be fun.
Which will be nice for me because it'll be the first time I'm not making the whole meal. So, okay, so that's what it looks like on the outside. And then I shall cut it open. More than oh, that was easier.
We're hoping this is Thanksgiving.
I know.
Theme,
Okay, let's see.
We don't know. And we didn't even think the woman was going to keep doing it
when you open it. So it tells you what you're going to get. So.
Ooh.
And it says cozy weather and comfort food time is here. This month's autumn theme box includes, and then it goes over all of them. So, let's see if we can figure it out.
Pumpkin things.
Okay, so that's obviously the pecan blondies, right? So we'll just leave that there. Well, I gotta show it though, duh. I'm sorry, my brain's not working as usual. Pretty sure those are the pecan blondies, right? I think.
They look
like the blondies. Yeah.
Blondies.
Okay, and then these are the ginger cookies. Do you want to try? Well, I'll give you a choice, but these are the chocolate ginger molasses cookies. I don't know why I just like went straight to the ginger. I had a shot of ginger earlier, so I should have energy, I think. But these are like the. Do you think they're no? Some of these I'm like. Is that the apple spice bun cake? Maybe? No, I don't know. Is it, you think?
It looks like it's like chocolate chip something.
And maybe these are probably okay, so this is the pumpkin whoopie pie, I'm pretty darn sure. I could be wrong.
Maple cream cheese. Yeah, no, that's a whoopie pie.
Yeah, so this is, pumpkin whoopie pie, maple cream cheese.
She put this in her fridge.
So that might be the pumpkin, oh wait, no, those are the pumpkin brookies. Because they look like, they look like a brownie mixed with a cookie, right? Kind of?
Yeah.
I think that's what that is. I'm so sorry for the company. Like sometimes I can't figure these out.
I think I already showed that one, but.
Well, no, but I didn't know if you knew what it was yet. Is that what you said it was? The pumpkin brookies?
No, I didn't know what it was.
Okay, and then this is.
The lid's like popped off, which is kind of like creepy, but.
But this is the apple.
It's really huge. Like it's
apple spice bundt cake with caramel frosting.
You can see that, hopefully.
Was I holding it right? Yeah,
I think so.
Yeah,
that looks good, but looks so sweet. Like.
Okay, so what do you want to try? I just thought one of the smaller things would be easier to open.
This one's not duplicate though.
No, I have the second one under it, maybe, or maybe not.
I think there's just one.
Well, why does it say Berkey's? That makes me think it's like.
Well, you can open and see if there's two.
Because there's two of the whoopie ones. Anyway, it makes me think two because it doesn't say Berkey, it says Berkey's. So that makes me think that there's like two,
or maybe
but
they just call it that. Who knows?
Yeah.
We'll try something and see how it tastes.
We'll see. We can always split it or
I'll
something.
I'll like a little because I haven't even had dinner, as I said. I'm not.
Maybe you just break them.
Piece off.
Maybe it's just one. I don't know. We'll find out. It's just weird because they like double layer it. I'm like trying to. Don't know. So
as you fall asleep at home.
I know. Oh, is it gonna like fall apart once I take the?
Probably. It's like half brownie, half cookie. I don't remember you getting one of these, but you must have before.
Do you think it's too messy to share? Should we go for something else?
You can do the little piece.
Okay, because that's as we try to like separate it, it kind of comes apart, and I'm thinking that's just gonna be a mess. So let me.
a good, enjoyable mess.
Yeah,
though.
yeah. I do like the desserts.
Taking too long.
I guess I'll take a little piece of this one because this is broken. It's falling apart.
I take one. You take one. So these are chocolate ginger molasses.
Chocolate ginger molasses cookies, yeah.
They smell like ginger.
So try these instead, yeah.
Are they supposed to be like hollow?
I guess. I don't. You should show them.
As we silently chew. I know there's like a hole inside. It's like hollow.
There's a hole in mine too, but I'm sure they're supposed to be like that. I mean, I would think.
All I taste is like ginger molasses. I don't taste chocolate at all, but. Doesn't mean it's not good, but
it has like literal chunks of chocolate.
Oh, maybe I haven't bitten any of those yet. So,
chocolate chunk.
That must be why. And this box is what, $30? You said she might not be doing.
It's I think it's $24.99 or
The
it
shipping.
was $24.99 with like $7 shipping, I think, but it seems like it's dropped down to like 22 something, if I'm not mistaken, before shipping.
Well, that's not bad. They dropped down, but you said she might not continue though, or she might continue.
It said that she may not continue, so I hope she does because I like her desserts.
They are really good. But that was it for this video, and as I said, hopefully if you're watching this after Thanksgiving, you had a good Thanksgiving, you're still alive after eating all that food, and give us a thumbs up if you saw anything you like, and don't forget to subscribe to be part of the current giveaway we're doing. You have to be subscribed for that, and you can see all the rules or whatnot on the little link I'll include below, and we'll see you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.